From June 13th to June 14th, in the heat of Los Angeles, families from across California came together for our Parent Ambassador Training Retreat. Over 2 days, PIQE parent leaders gathered to grow, connect, and rise together.
So I'm a child of advocacy from the time I was in grade school all the way up. My mom was always there fighting for me to have the right. Now, it's a lot easier for children with disabilities, but there's still a long ways to go, as we know. So I'm here, a product of a parent who advocated, but also with you as an advocate for our children.
The impact that you are making isn't just for your child, pero es para tus nietos y sus nietos. It's a generational impact and a commitment to system and institutional change.
Throughout the 2-day retreat, we explored what it means to be advocates and change makers.
Vengo porque quiero que los sueños de los inmigrantes lleguen, se cumplen y lleguen a una voz grande y que sus sueños no los tomen en vano, porque todos traemos sueños y todos podemos cumplirlos si hacemos lo necesario. También vengo por mis 3 nietos porque quiero que ellos, aunque sean hijos de inmigrantes, sean respetados de la forma que deben de ser respetados todos los niños nacidos aquí y que tengan las mismas oportunidades que tienen todas las personas.
Aprendí muchísimo, me gustó muchísimo y es por eso que estoy aquí, porque quiero luchar por el sueño de mis hijas, quiero luchar por el sueño de otros niños también, porque donde yo vivo, en San José, a pesar de que es una ciudad muy grande, hay una brecha educativa muy grande también.
Es verdad. Y para nosotros es importante compartir nuestra historia maravillosamente. No es que no quieren.
I always have this philosophy that I think that if you think you could help in some way or learn something new, then you should always do it. Just because you don't know what that learning experience will do.
Every single day we are learning. I have learned a lot about all these people came from different places. They are very different from mine, but we share the same point of views, same challenges, okay? And we are working together as a group, as a team, okay, to come out with solutions. And that is great, motivates me a lot.
We learned more about the Parent Ambassador Program, received training on how to speak to elected officials, participated in team-building exercises, and learned about the judicial system.
Actually, it's gotten to the point where the district where we belong, for the Rialto Unified School District, has sent like a protocol for parents to follow.
Us in having legislation that protects the rights of students and immigrant families that go to school against ICE rates.
We're proud to have such a dedicated group of parent ambassadors who want and are willing to fight for their children and communities. To find out more about our ambassador program or PIQE, visit www.pique.org/parent-ambassadors.